dear children, welcome to today's class. Let us start our day with a wonderful thought. Education is not only a ladder of opportunity, but it is also an investment in our future. Now, let us start with new lesson number 8, algebraic expressions and operations on them. So, children, get ready with your textbook and notebook. Let us start with the introduction of algebraic expressions. For that, let us take an example. Look at the arrangements of sticks given below and observe the pattern. Now children, look at the table given here. It is given on page number 55 of your textbook. Now here in this table, in the first row, arrangement of sticks is given. In the second row, number of squares formed by the arrangement is given. In the third row, number of sticks used to make the given squares is given. Now here, if you look at the first picture, how many squares are formed here? 1. How many sticks are required here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 4 sticks are required to make 1 square. Now if you add 3 more sticks to it, you will get 2 squares. So in all, how many sticks are used? 7 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sticks are required to make 2 squares. Now, if you add 3 more sticks to it, you will get 3 squares. 1, 2, 3. How many in all sticks are used here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, by using 10 sticks, you get 3 squares. So, if you add 3 more sticks here, you will get 4 squares. That is 10 plus 3 is 13. Now, if you look at these numbers and if you arrange them in such a way that here 4 can be written as 3 plus 1, 7 can be written as 6 plus 1, 10 is written as 9 plus 1, 13 is written as 12 plus 1. Now, if you look at this number 3, 6, 9, 12, all are multiples of 3. So, here we can write 3 as 3 into 1, 6 is written as 3 into 2, 9 is written as 3 into 3, 12 is written as 3 into 4. Now, if you look at these numbers or these expressions, here 3 into 1 plus 1. Here 3 and this 1 is common to all the numbers. Now, only the number changing here is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So, what is this 1, 2, 3 and 4? Here this 1 is the number of squares formed here. Here 2 is the number of squares formed here. 3 is again the number of squares formed here. And 4 is again the number of squares formed here. So if you are making 10 squares using the given sticks, you will get the formula 3 multiplied by 10 plus 1. And if you consider n as any number of squares, if you represent the alphabet n for the number of squares formed, you will get the expression 3 into n plus 1. Now here, what is this in all? This is the number of sticks used. That is 3 into number of squares plus 1 is the number of sticks. But if you consider this number of squares as small n, or you represent this number of squares using one alphabet, any alphabet, here I took as small n, you can write it as 3 into n plus 1. Now, conventionally, it is not necessary to write the product sign between the number and the alphabet. So, we can write it as 3n plus 1. Here, now what is n? N is a variable. Why we are telling it as variable? Because it varies. It varies according to the numbers. In every case, the value of n is different. In first case, n is 1, here n is 2, here n is 3, here n is 4 and so on. Hence, as the value of n is changing, we write it as variable. Now, here the number that we have got here, 3n plus 1, it is called as an algebraic expression. Here, 3n plus 1 is an algebraic expression having the variable n. Now, here the number that or the alphabet that we have used here is n. Hence, we are writing n as the variable because value of n is changing every time.